Rick, I think the 18 car is about as wasted as it can be. The engine smoking as he pulls into victory lane. Kyle Busch. Celebrating in victory lane here at Kentucky. On a day when he told me, I'm not sure anyone can beat that 2 car. He certainly does it this evening in a dominating fashion. What kind of statement did this team make tonight, and you, Kyle?
Pretty good one. That was awesome. I can't say enough about Adam Stevens and this whole M&M's Crispy team. They did a phenomenal job for me preparing a great race car. This Toyota Camry was fast. I can't say enough about them, and Interstate Batteries, Sprint, Monster Energy, of course, and the fans. You know, it's pretty cool to come here to Kentucky, one of my best places, and to score a win. You know, you got to be able to score that win. To be here in victory lane, and his team did it for me. You know, awesome stops all day, getting us and keeping us up front, and just a great race car to move around all around the racetrack. And what a blast! I know I won, but so far so good. I like the new aero package, obviously, but you know, it just seemed like you weren't stuck. You know, Logano kind of moved up and blocked my lane. And with the old package, you just kind of get stalled out and you'd get stuck behind him, you know. And this one here, I could kind of move around. I went back to the bottom and made a move on him to pass him low, you know. So great race in there with about, I don't know, 10 to go, I guess. That was a lot of fun with Joey, but his team and M&M's, everybody that does such a great job. Adam Stevens, we were right there out on that crispy edge. So if you haven't checked it out, go to YouTube, MMS Chocolate, their page, and check out our Days of Thunder film.
Everybody will talk about the championship now, and the focus will be on points. Can't do much better than you did tonight, can you?
No, that right there is what we got to do. You know, just to score as many points as we possibly can to score those wins. That's what's going to get us to where we need to be. And we led the most laps, and we won the race. So that's all you can score, you know. But we'll just continue to push on and thrive and try to strive, you know, through our deficit and get ourselves in position to be in top 30.
Very happy Kyle Busch in victory lane tonight, Dave.